So everybody's been asking this question, do you really need a mentor when it comes to affiliate marketing? I got your answers in this video. Now before we get started, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. So the question is, do you really need a mentor when it comes to affiliate marketing? The answer is you do. There's so much about affiliate marketing that you don't know coming into it new. You really need the guidance of someone who's been there, someone who's had experience with things. As I've gotten into it, I found that there's so much that I don't know, and I'm learning more and more every day, and I believe that's true with just about anybody. Just when you think you know something, you turn around and there's another resource, there's another trick to do something, there's another thing to be concerned about, there's a new way to measure SEO scores, there's a new plugin for your blog page, there's a new platform. Having the guidance of someone who's actually been there, someone who actually knows what the pitfalls are, will save you so much time. You definitely could go at it alone, but the consequence for that is that it could end up costing you a lot of time and money that you might not have or want to spend. There's so many more benefits to standing on the shoulders of those who've come before you, who have the information and they want to share. People do want to share this information. There's tons of resources out there where this information can be found just about everywhere on the internet. There's Facebook groups, there's Twitter pages, there's LinkedIn pages. Just about every single social media platform has got some sort of help when it comes to affiliate marketing. Reddit's another one. A lot of people actually offer individual courses about it. There's entire trainings you can take up. There are tons and tons of options out there, and I definitely suggest that you look into something to get yourself some guidance. Unless you want to go through the pitfalls of doing it all on your own, getting bruised up, getting the skinned knees, and then trying over and over again and failing over and over again. Granted, failure is the best teacher, but why fail when you don't have to? There's so many things that you can get shortcuts to because other people have done them for you. Now, if you go visit HindeSights.com, you'll see there's tons of resources on my page that will definitely help you get a head start. And I'm not trying to keep it a secret. I want to give people the information. There's so much information that I have found that's helped me get ahead of the curve. And honestly, most of it was from my mentor. I have coaches, I have people I turn to for affiliate marketing because I don't want to have to do all the hard work. I want shortcuts. And sometimes, yeah, you could do a simple Google search or there's a YouTube video, but really, if you can find one place that has all this information or one person you can ask, definitely would look into a mentor. Some people offer their services free, some have training programs, there's seminars that you can join. Definitely would look around. I have a few options on my page as far as resources for different types of trainings. The point of all this is you don't have to go it alone. Having a mentor, having a good coach gives you the opportunity to point your sales in the right direction and get a head start. Even on social media, there's lots of groups that can definitely help you with pooled information. You put a question out there, you'll get good answers, good responses, new ideas of how to do things. When it comes down to it, not one individual has all the answers. Like I said, still learning. There's always more to learn. Collectively, the more people who can help you out, the better. So yes, I would definitely suggest that you find a mentor, find someone to guide you, find a way to make this whole process easier on yourself so you can get to where you want to get, which is making money. Because the way that affiliate marketing works is even if you do want to take the hard lessons and fail, the problem with that is usually failure means more money you're spending without any more money coming in. Time is money. Save yourself some time. Get a mentor, find a program. Even if you have to shell out money in the front end and take a course, it's well worth it. Going into affiliate marketing without having any idea what you're doing, you're just setting yourself up to shell out more and more money that you don't have. It's like shooting in the dark. You're never going to hit a target. If there's anything I could tell you about affiliate marketing is that it's all about targeting. Knowing your audience, knowing what your audience wants, how to get information to them. You really need that mentoring, that guidance to do that. So please, look into it. Don't go it alone. You don't have to. There's many people out there that are willing to share. Take a look at the video description below. Please visit HindeSights.com. There's tons of resources there. Was any of this information helpful? If so, let me know in the comments below. And also, make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way, you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online legitimately, the right way and properly, visit HindeSights.com and learn step-by-step how to do that. Or click the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.